Chat GPT is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model, which is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. GPT models are designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the context and input they receive. The first version of GPT, GPT-1, was introduced by OpenAI in June 2018. It was followed by GPT-2 in February 2019 and GPT-3 in June 2020. GPT-3, in particular, gained significant attention due to its impressive language generation capabilities and ability to perform various natural language processing tasks. OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research lab, is responsible for the development of Chat GPT and the broader GPT series. The team at OpenAI comprises a group of researchers and engineers who work on advancing natural language processing techniques and developing cutting-edge AI models. The purpose of Chat GPT and the GPT models, in general, is to create powerful language models that can understand and generate human-like text. These models have a wide range of applications, such as generating conversational agents, providing customer support, assisting in writing, and aiding in language translation, among others. They aim to improve human-computer interaction and enable more natural and efficient communication between machines and humans. Chat GPT can be used for a variety of purposes, including answering questions. You can ask Chat GPT questions on a wide range of topics, and it will attempt to provide relevant and informative answers based on its training data. Language translation. You can use Chat GPT to translate text from one language to another. You input the text in one language and specify the target language, and Chat GPT will provide a translation. Writing assistance. Chat GPT can help with generating content for various purposes, such as writing essays, articles, or creative pieces. You can provide a prompt or describe the desired content, and Chat GPT will generate a response. Programming assistance. Chat GPT can assist with coding and programming-related questions. You can ask for help with specific programming languages, syntax, or algorithms, and Chat GPT will provide guidance. Personalized recommendations. Chat GPT can offer recommendations based on your preferences. For example, if you're looking for book or movie recommendations, you can provide some information about your interests, and Chat GPT will suggest relevant options. Conversational agent. You can have a conversation with Chat GPT as if you were talking to a virtual assistant or chatbot. It can engage in dialogue, answer follow-up questions, and provide information on a wide range of topics. These are just a few examples of how Chat GPT can be used, but its applications are not limited to these. It's a versatile language model that can be utilized in various ways depending on the specific task or use case. As an AI language model, I'm here to assist you with a wide range of topics and answer your questions to the best of my abilities. However, please keep in mind that my responses are generated based on patterns and information available to me up until September 2021. I may not have access to the most recent events or developments beyond that date. I strive to provide accurate and helpful information, but it's always a good idea to verify any critical or time-sensitive information from reliable sources. If you have any concerns or encounter any issues during our conversation, please let me know, and I'll do my best to assist you.